creating an account on a different app can be difficult. So I'm going to teach you right now how to do that. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create an account on Udemy. You're going to go into Udemy first and you're going to go to sign in right here. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in with email, Google or Facebook or even Apple ID. So if you don't have one, I'm going to teach you right now how to do it. You're going to go to create an account. If you want to sign up with mail, you can click here. If you want to go in with Google here, and if with Facebook, right here. So I'm going to go with email. You're going to put in your name. You're going to put in your email and your password right here. The password shall be 8+ characters, and you can even click on email me with deals and recommendations by the app itself. So if you're done with that, you're going to click on create account and they'll ask for verification on your email and you'll be all set. And this is how you create an account on Udemy. If you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.